Hi, this is Wanji from Product Marketing, excited to share this new chat feature that's going to make it easier to get insights about your cellar, manage wines, and choose what to drink. To get started, you can access the chat from any collection page, go to Collections tab, and you'll see this Insights icon on the bottom right. We have a few conversation starters to help you decide what to drink or get a better information about your collection and bottles. Pick from one of the example questions and try simple questions like which wines in my cellar are ready to drink now, and we'll give you a list of wines that are within or nearing the end of the community recommended drinking window. You can click into each wine to read more tasting notes and other wine details. One of my favorite ways to use this chat is to decide on a fun side-by-side comparison or even blind tasting. I asked for bottles for my cellar, and here you can see the list of options across various varieties like Pinot, Chardonnay, and mixed. But I want to understand why these would be a good option to better set up my tasting. CellarTracker will even explain how certain side-by-side can help you explore different producer style, differences in villages or region, vintage, and more using the tasting notes and general information about the wine. You can use the chat feature to do a lot more, like asking to identify cellar location that you have been drinking the most from, or asking to come up with a flight of 3 to 4 different wines based on the food menu. Hope you guys enjoy your next wine night with our new Cellar Chat.